You're ugly. That lie bigger than my father's breast. Oh my lord. That's funny. Hey guys, it's me, your girl Leah. Today I'll be making a brand new video. Okay, before I actually say anything else, like this video, subscribe, turn on notification, and comment down below when you're all done that, hashtag notification squad, and you will get an account. I will tell the person on MovieStat also, say your server and your username, I will come and add you. And yeah, we will be going onto my new account that I recently made, and we're having fun on it. I won't be giving this account away because this is my backup. So this is it. So this is my backup. I haven't been on it for age. I'm gonna see how it's like been. I just got the password because I looked in my password book. So let's just get started. Thank you so much for all your very nice comments on my first ever video. You just guys are amazing, and I just can't believe that I made this video 2 days ago, and we're already at, can't remember how many subscribers we are at, but we are at quite a few now, like 16 subscribers. Thank you so much. Also, please like this video, and look how much people have done the hashtag notification thing. Look how much people, oh my lord. I'm so happy. Thank you so much for doing that to me. And now let's just go into the account now. Okay, I just realized that this is not the same password as my main account. It's a very old password that I used to use, but I don't use that password anymore. So, I'm just gonna have to deal with using, yeah, okay, too late. Okay, it's a very short password. I don't know why, but it's just very short. Okay. I like how it's still spin wheeling there. It took me forever to find the book for the password thing, so, yeah, it took me forever, so. If you don't mind me. Oh my lord, I only have 16 friends, 1 message, and I don't actually have a lot. I've only got that much money. Seriously. But look at the messages on here. Can I log in? Oh yeah, that's talking to myself. Why are they saying scammer to this girl? She's not a scammer. I'm not giving my account away. She gave me a drip drop. So, what? Let's have a look how much gifts. So I have no gifts, retired. This girl's been sending me rares. Oh my lord, none of them are gifted from me. That's surprisingly. Oh my god. If that was black, I would definitely wear that. Not being mean to the colour, it's just that. Why am I so bright? Look here, look how bright I am there. And then look at my normal tattoo here. Super bright! Unless I'm one of them golf girls. I like this thing going on. Do I have a lot of clothes? No, but I have a lot of red. How did I get that drip top? Who gave me it? This girl. What? I gave it her, and then she gave it me back. That's cool. That's really cool. Okay. Nothing really changed on this account. Is this on my email? Yes, it is on my email. I'm gonna say I won't show it to you guys. Too late. XD. Let's have a look. Well, yeah.
He is fearless.
Oh my god.
A highly trained
So boring.
expert.
Wow. I think that's actually real hard. Sick. That's amazing. No, why would I? That was so boring. Let's go into the chat and see how much friends I'll get. Probably like 0, because I'm like, hello there. Oh, fuck. Okay, let's go to this thing. Is there lots of popular people in there? Hopefully no. Where's my nose? Is it covered in with them stuff? Oh my lord, that's so creepy. Let's look at the comments on here. Okay. Let me show ya. Oh, what? Why did you want my YouTube? Okay, anyways. She's my BFF, so shout out to my BFF. She's called Lily. And just go at her, go gift her, go do it right now. Just do it right now, or else I'll kill you. Okay, let's have a look at it. You're ugly. You ugly? That lie bigger than my father's vows. Oh my lord. Oh my lord. That's so funny. Okay, so I'm gonna comment. You can see people says that. I'm gonna comment XD. I'm watching it. Thanks for my compliment. You're welcome. Lil XD. XD. Okay, she'll probably. You're saying your. I've seen your YouTube. It's amazing. Why is everyone going to my YouTube? Like, okay. Thank you so much. Is that okay? So let's do the shoutouts because this is gonna be the end of the video now. I know it wasn't really a good video, but like, okay. So this is the first subscriber. Thank you so much. I mean, not the first subscriber. The first shout out. Thank you so much for putting hashtag notification squad. That means you're in my squad, and I'm sorry, I'm putting what's on. So thank you so much. And if you want to shout out in the next video, all you have to do is put hashtag notification squad. You can either take away one S and do it like that. It'll work either way. And then put a nice message like, subscribe, like, and turn on the bell. If you would reply, I would scream. And I replied saying, haha, lol, XD, thank you. I have subscribed back. Thank you so much for subscribing. Just do that, and then I will, like, kind of like and reply. It depends if I reply, but I'll definitely give you a shout out. So if you don't get a shout out, you will definitely in the next video. Only one shout out I can give at a time. I don't know why, just like the YouTube thing said. So I really hope you like this video. Give it a like and subscribe, and I will see you next video. Bye.